Hello, hello. It's really sunny and very warm. And today I'm sewing again. Can you guess what I'm sewing? I can show you and then you can guess. I already made a pattern. Do you think it's a rocket? Maybe I don't know. Put your guesses down there. Grand reveal. It's a hat. It's gonna be a hat. A tulip hat. Yeah, for my friend. It's gonna be a gift. And I hope it's gonna turn out cute. And then in the tutorial they also say to open this thing up and stitch, but I don't want to do it. I'm already pleasantly surprised that I cannot see the stitching because I am using the only color that I have, black. And so I don't want it visible. Let's continue. I already like it. It's gonna be so fun. Anyway, Jesus Christ, this is so bad. Fuck. Well, better not to pull it. Better be careful with it. But how did it happen? I aligned it. And then I was thinking that, damn, this is a bit, no, it looks like a centimeter, but it can be a bit more. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be careful. last piece. I mean, last piece to sew on, and then I will have to finish it off, sew it all together. It's happening again. It's happening again. Okay, I cannot do anything about it. Okay, that's not so bad as it was. Okay, I'll take it. Yay! Look at that! It's a hat! It's a hat! It's so adorable! Yeah, now I have to sew this part. Oh, look at this mess. And then, yeah, to do something with these parts. I have no idea how I'm gonna sew it, to be completely honest with you, because I made it this really cutesy shape, and now I have no idea how to. And then, yeah, what do I do? Maybe I burn it. Like I burn, you know? Would it be? It's 100% wool, so maybe I will set the whole thing on fire. Don't think I want it. Don't think I want it. Yeah. But what else? Okay, let's see. You cannot see what I'm doing. Sorry. Oopsie. Well, yes. This is even cuter. And it looks like if I'm just gonna sew here, it's gonna hold. Let's hope that it is indeed gonna hold. I need to see it in the mirror. I cannot understand if I like it or not. I think I like it, but I need to check. So I took a break, and now the sun is not here anymore, but while the light is still there, so I decided to cut this thing so the edge is smooth and not like this. Yeah, to use normal scissors, not the fabric ones. And then I tried some things. Let me show you. So I tried to burn the fabric, which looks just weird. And then this is an edge just with the scissors. So it does go out a little bit, slightly bit. So I think it's okay. Can you see? Yeah, so I think it's okay. The sky is very pretty. And I'm about to make last stitches and call it a day. Yahoo yippee! I think I'm actually what am I doing? What am I doing? Why did I start in here? Oh, I forgot how to make a backwards stitch. Oh, I can't see shit. It's getting too dark. And allez, hop! It's a bit wonky in the inside, on the inside, and thus it's wonky a bit in here. No, I think I'm just gonna ignore it. I mean, it's already better if I'm gonna straighten those things up, like open up, you know, like this. Now I understand why it was in the tutorial. Now I understand, but now it's too late. Maybe I can iron those things flat, and it's gonna be better. I don't have an iron though. Maybe someone in the house has it. I should ask. I made a tea. Okay. Then that's it. That's it for today. I'm super happy. It was very fast, low effort, and super fun to make. I would definitely make it again, maybe for my sister. That's so cute. That's so cute. And originally I wanted to add leaves, but the leaves are from the, like, it has plastic in them, and I'm not sure if it's gonna, like, if plastic and sauna are good together, so I will keep it in wool and yeah, just have it like this. It's so cool. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, bye.